Welcome to the Amber Connect Fleet Portal AI Dashboard. Let's take a quick look at the redesigned portal experience, from easy navigation to the powerful new AI dashboard that brings your entire fleet into one view. The AI dashboard, showing today's fleet health score, real-time critical alert counts, and vehicles requiring attention, with an urgent attention section for active panic and unit not updating alerts. The AI dashboard map displays vehicles with active alerts based on their live GPS locations. Selecting AI dashboard from the side menu opens the AI dashboard page by default, where you can easily switch to bird's eye view using the available view options, apply risk vehicle filters, and view detailed alert information for individual vehicles directly from the map. The Amby AI Recommendations section makes sure you're always focused on what matters most. Using real-time AI insights, the Amby AI Recommendations section automatically identifies vehicles that require immediate attention by highlighting the highest priority alerts, including tamper, collision, vibration, tow, fence breaches, early warning, panic, and units not updating, and vehicles with low health scores from recent data. For each recommendation, it displays the vehicle name, alert type, and Amby AI recommendation. Low vehicle health alerts show the actual vehicle health score, while all other alert categories display the total alert count, giving fleet managers a clear, prioritized view of the most critical vehicles that require immediate action. This section only displays current-day, real-time data, so what you see always reflects what's happening in your fleet right now. Instead of just showing you that something happened, it tells you how to respond and how urgent the situation is, helping you to act faster and more consistently every time. Click Summarize with Amby to get an instant analysis of your AI dashboard, with both voice narration and text insights covering key fleet operations. Have a question? Use the mute option, then ask Amby AI directly. You can also copy the Summarize with Amby contents for later reference. Track your Amby AI minutes in the top right corner and revisit past summaries anytime from the Usage section under Settings arrow Amby AI module in the side menu. The dashboard also provides real-time summaries of groups, subgroups, and total vehicles, allowing you to access fleet structure and management information quickly. Driver behavior helps you monitor overall driving performance. Track key metrics such as speeding, harsh braking, harsh cornering, sudden acceleration, and idling time, while comparing current month-to-date performance with the previous month to identify trends and improve driver safety. The Service Reminders section helps track upcoming, overdue, and completed maintenance activities to ensure vehicles remain operational and compliant. The data is displayed for the overall period, providing a complete view of service status across the fleet. The Dashcam Events section displays current-day driver monitoring events, including fatigue, yawning, smoking, seatbelt violations, and other configured event types via an interactive donut chart. All dashboard information is refreshed in real time, providing complete visibility into fleet operations, improving safety, and supporting proactive decision-making. The fixed header stays visible across every page, giving you quick access to branding, language selection, filters, AI-powered search, alerts, notifications, messages, and secure logout, all in one place, wherever you are in the portal. The side menu makes navigation effortless, appearing as icons by default and expanding to show module names, tutorial videos, and sub-menu options, with the active module and sub-module always highlighted so you instantly know where you are. And now, thank you for using the Amber Connect Fleet Portal AI Dashboard.